welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a review on this London Sunshine air fryer. So this is the air fryer right out of the box, and it's just so cute and sleek. It's actually touch screen, so that's why you don't see the buttons on it, but once we plug it in, we'll be able to see how it works. Now it does come with a manual to show you how to operate the appliance. And you know, it just has a regular basket in here. I had left the plastic on, but once I removed the plastic, this is what it looks like. It's actually non-stick, so that's a great thing. And we're gonna go ahead and just wash this up, give it a quick wash, and I'll show you how it works. We're gonna be doing a chicken recipe today, so I will show you guys that as well. So the chicken recipe is super simple. First, I did wash the chicken in some lemon juice, and I'll be seasoning it with some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, bouillon, sazon, seasoned salt, and some all-purpose seasoning. I also have some Chipotle sauce, yogurt, and some fresh green seasoning. What I did was combine all of the ingredients and then added it to the chicken, mix well, and I just placed it in a storage bag and allow it to marinate overnight. It is so simple, but the chicken is absolutely delicious. You have to try it. So I know I'll get this question, what is green seasoning? Green seasoning is just a blend of herbs and aromatics. You blend all your favorite herbs with garlic, onions, peppers, you know, celery, whatever, and it's used to marinate meats and stuff like that. It's just a form of fresh seasoning you're using. So that's what is green seasoning, but I can leave a link to the recipe down in the description box for those that are interested. So now we're going to preheat the air fryer first. So as I hit power, I saw 360. To me, 360 is a fair temperature, so I left it at that, and I preheated it for like 3 minutes. So I will put this to like 25 minutes and allow the chicken to cook for 22 minutes because that's what the instructions said. So we'll allow the chicken to cook for 22 minutes and let it preheat for like 3 minutes. So there you see me add the chicken, and we're gonna just let this go for 22 minutes. After 22 minutes, this is how it's looking. It's absolutely perfect. When I tell you, this chicken was so juicy and tender. I know the yogurt usually make the chicken tender, but this was next level. The skin on the chicken was so crispy. I love this air fryer. It's absolutely amazing. It will be a great gift for Father's Day. And yeah, this is it. That's the chicken. I almost finished the chicken leg, and then I forgot to show you guys how it look on the inside. So there you see me, picking up the chicken and just continuing it. So yeah, and the air fryer was so easy to clean. I went ahead and washed it up, and it is non-stick for real. Indeed, it is non-stick. The chicken did not stick, and it was a breeze to clean. That's what I loved about it. Now, if you guys want to purchase this air fryer, I will leave all the details in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, and as always, enjoy.